Hi, I'm Mike Pantaleo with Michelin Ag North America with a customer engineering support group, and we're here at Ag in Motion in Saskatoon. So at Michelin, we're always looking at new innovative things to improve the mobility for different applications. Obviously, we're doing farm tires at this show. We're going to be talking about Ultraflex Technology. This was a revolution in the tire design industry, and essentially what it allows us to do is it allows us to take the same tire, like same size as a standard tire, but now be able to carry much higher loads at the same pressure or the same load at lower pressures. Soil compaction is really becoming realized by the farming community. It affects the production, the bottom line. So it's very, very important. The machines are getting much bigger, more powerful, and the requirement is much higher.
Showcasing here today a first in North America tractor. It's a Challenger made by Agco, and it is being offered with two very important applications. One is a 710 radial tire from Michelin, and then a inflation system from PTG in Germany. What that does is inflation systems allow the operator of the tractor to optimize their tire pressures for the road and for the field so that they get the best performance out of their equipment, the longest tire wear, least compaction, best traction, best fuel economy, more power to the ground, which is what they want, what they need.
Just going to be showing you how we can inflate our tires on this tractor, up and down from road to field on the go, and give you a nice example of how easy it is to do it through the OEM monitor. You start with a tractor knowing what ballasting the tractor is at, and then you kind of set a highs and lows that you want to be running to give you your most efficient air pressures while operating. So we preset our high pressures for roading, which is 22 psi on the front, 15 psi on the rear, and 12 psi on the front, and 6 psi in the rear for when we're in field operation. So right now we are pumped up at road operation, and then we will start to do a deflate to get it ready to do some field demonstrations.
Air pressures is really something that's always neglected. If you ask a farmer, typically he'll say that he checks his pressures when he had the machine delivered. One thing to keep in mind is a pneumatic tire, 90% of the work is done by the air. So it's very critical to the tire's durability. I mean, if you run too underinflated, you damage the tire. You run overinflated, and then you erode all the performance characteristics of the tire.
The nice part about this is you can do it all while operating. You don't have to be still. You can be doing this while roading or in the field and still get optimal tire pressures all day long. So it's a nice, real nice feature to have on a tractor. It's going to give you more efficient fuel economy, better tire wear, less compaction. It's a great system for people that are seeing losses in that operation, and a way to capitalize on it. So.
Michelin, a better way forward.